Hello again. This is Paul Odd. I don't represent the Heart of Kentucky Association of Realtors or anyone else. This nerd update will cover from May 12th through May 18th. Let's go to the computer, check out those numbers.
So when we look at new listings, we have more new listings this year than in the previous 4 years, which again supports thawing out of the market. We've been seeing that for a bit. I think this is likely influenced by the PCS season. Look at total inventory. It's fairly strong for this time of year. It's been above 800 for the last 9 straight weeks, and it still represents about 4 months of inventory. Look at under contract. It is a bit weaker than normal, with 49 for this week. Under contract under 7 days has been pretty consistently around 30% since late March. Specifically, would like your feedback on how you like this overlapped graph. I like how this presents the data, but if it's not useful for you, let me know. I can change it back. Look at closed. Matches what was under contract about 4 weeks ago. It's a bit low compared to previous years and expected to pick up in the coming weeks and months. Look at days on market. 21 and 22 are still well below normal. This year, however, was within the bracket of the previous 2 years, and I think it's directly relatable to the price reductions, which if we look at those, continue to be higher than the previous years, and I think the longer days on market are influencing this. Obviously, people's eagerness to sell or having lingering listings could heavily drive the price reductions. Looking at interest rates, we've been under 7% for 17 straight weeks. You can see a little uptick between last week and this week, but still a bit lower than last year and higher than 2023. Right, it has a lot of volatility during the week, but it's fairly stable across the weeks and has contributed to an increase in mortgage applications. Median sold price, again, appears to be stabilizing, and the stabilization is basically where this levels off instead of just goes up and up. Right, it's way better than a correction, where in a correction, these just sink down. We have what they call a crash, like we saw in 2008 through 2011. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the notifications. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Thanks, and I hope you have a good week.